Bandit Early Bird Special for Saturday, February 20th. If you're new to the channel, be sure to like, subscribe, click the bell icon. Look for Bandit's premium plays, games Bandit's betting on. Bandit's 18-8 since February the 6th, start of package deals. 18 wins, 8 losses, 69%. And Team Bandit, that's Bandit and Hockey Guy, 15-5 since Wednesday, February 10th, 75% winners. Hockey Guy, 21-7 record, 75% winners. And Bandit, 2-0 on his UFC picks. $30 USD weekly package deal. Bandit, you get UFC, college basketball, NBA, and NHL. It's a great deal. Bandit's always popular early bird special. Navy versus American. Bandit's playing Navy. Moneyline, full game, Navy. On the moneyline, full game. Quarter unit play, early bird special. Monarch Bandit, king of the 1 minute videos. Making you money in 1 minute. Money Maker out.